All right, take 5. My poor babies. All right, no more Snapchat. Let's just do a regular video of Angel and Popcorn eating their millet before bedtime. Go ahead, Popcorn. You could do it. Sorry about that. Go ahead, baby. Eat treat. Go ahead. Eat your millet. Go ahead, Popcorn. Go ahead, Popcorn. Come on. Come on, baby. You're so silly, Popcorn. No, baby. No, Popcorn. You have to be nice to your sister. You have to be nice. There you go. You be good girl. Be nice to your sister. Angel's your sister. You love her. Be nice. You're a good girl. Right, Popcorn? There's so much traffic on a Friday night. But they're pretty much used to it. It doesn't bother them. Music. Everybody's enjoying for their Friday night. While we share our Friday night together. Okay, see, Popcorn? You be nice. You be nice to your sister, Angel. Angel can do that to Popcorn too. They both do it to each other. I think that's just their sister ways.